Ndengyo umwanjumuri yanda onsia sobete ni wende to twaro morogoba horomuya andijiga chabene kukwarian go meseto ya mangana maya ye jinsa 10 hinde gumanyi na twende to kusangiri kurudia gakiete go ikaboniga yonko kubori obe na inche go ikomarinyana nabagonda gutubwatia sensemeri emitanda senseme ya Facebook na bagotonyora Ndis TV News sensemeri ya YouTube tonyora Ndis TV News bago sensemeri ya Twitter na bagoto tweet @Ndis TV News bago na bagotomekerengeri kya gwetera nambe yero ase screen yawe goni ngo irari bageria bene gukwarigania oba na inchi go ikomwerio una botambe getariane Brighton Makori. Asogo jakira bono nigo abaiboli nabamenyi kuru asensemo ya Nyarwari Masaba anene bali bagwate aborokiwa ase skuru ya Keroka gose skuru y'oborozo ya Keroka nigo bono baburiye gwisara y'egisemi gotamunganya umwarimu munene gwe skuru eyo nigo bono bateruna umwarimu oyo takire kunganywa goso ikire kunganywa kuru ase skuru eyo niga leta amonjorori amanene ase skuru eyo ase bono babugire bateberuna tigairanigwe iri kugendereria amangana ari konyora chakire ase skuru hiyo.
Mwalimu amefanya improvement mingi. Ameintroduce hadi new courses zenye hazikuwa. Kuna courses kama survey hazikuwa nikikuja. But ameintroduce new courses. Alafu ako very friendly to both workers, wanafunzi wote. Kila mtu anaweza muona, alafu ni mtu understanding. Kama uko na shida ya fees, kama kuna area huja clear, mnaweza ongea naye alafu akusaidie. So ni mtu ako social na kila mtu, abagui. So tulikuwa tunaonelea tu wamwache abaki aendeleze hii maendeleo yenye alikuwa ameshaanza na hiyo itasupport watu wengi sana.
Huyu principal wenyewe akienda sisi hatuoni kama wengine tutaendelea kusoma huku kwa sababu tumeona yale ambayo ametenda kutoka wakati aliingia hapa shule. Hii shule ilikuwa mbali sana, ameijenga mpaka amepanga graduation iko next year ambayo haijaikuwa hii shule. Kama mheshimiwa Magoha aje huyu principal hapa akae na sisi.
Tunaomba serikali kwanza, the Minister of Education Bwana Magoha ajaribu aingilie hii maneno ya ndio mwalimu aendelee kufanya kazi nzuri alikuwa anafanya. Sio vizuri kubadilisha shule saa ile mwalimu saa ile ameanza kufanya kazi. Hajafanya kazi hata kwa 6 months. Alikuja wakati wa COVID. Tunajua shule zilikuwa zimefungwa. Juzi ndiye ameanza kazi. Tafadhali tuachilie mwalimu afanye kazi kwa sababu amesikana na walimu, amesikana na community, amesikana na wanafunzi wote wanamuunga mkono. Tunajaribu tuseme wacha mwalimu afanye kazi.
Ekara bamenyabu na ababuli asenseme bagendete gote abuno mwalimu yo nyaraka gwa kwitransfer nyaraka kweno justice school yo ntonyarana no mwalimu oyo nyara ko irali baga limo principal yo akwitransfer kodendo robot yo ni koronyora ase enza yamo yabano maroba ase obo gare kato kuska bosio ni gobona ababuli ni go bagendete go semi gwana go segeto no nyara ba go semi abana babo chimbwa chingia anene karo school chikagero chikoigorwa wiki egoja ni gobona ababuli batebibuna nerebia kubegeria abana chimbo chinge karwari na barabu akarwa ko chikwena justice school banyora mbabwate chimbwa chire chingia chire jijigiragere betange kurwa samangana ali ago jaba bwaterani karwara si school
umwana uyo iga aje ngino muiboli ekera gosire nyomba ngakio kumurangeri daddy unafanya nini ugate kiboko chapa mtoto. Hata Biblia inasema ukinyima mtoto kiboko utakuwa umemharibu. So toko takanga abana batakira basambridge school totake ko bebereria that they will come and burn home. Na ligete in fact asinaro na ligete katabanga basambridge school ba coldre now they are back home. Chunga sana tomo gosero chamara gobanyoro tongire nyombe ngima because that is what their problem tells them ngene we yogo solve. We need to sit down na balimu na banafunzi, all of us as stakeholders tokwane na bana babe warned na andre to me nginesnas I think caning never went to kwenda school. Abana bera liwe keranya keri nto itetu nto kwetie nande kero mwana matengi keranya nkero na maitenga gagwe discipline from this end to this end anyole ndikeranya kere school no nya love triangle still school between teachers na abana ukanga chielire lakini asenge nto mwana maitenga no nyoranga yo cha kongaka ngo cha kongaka ndeta hiyo so na ra libati mwana form 2 ati mwalimu nje ningu anjete mwalimu ori tari kunyara kumuchaba asenge nto ga kumuchaba omoiboli okudre go che school omoiboli omwana wakeracha kwe school kende school ngora igoboli nganti kiaba na anda atara goteje kara muchaba munya ko makoboche school so nyora na makoso tari go cha kwiranda next time ekeranya kera nigwe abana batabwe discipline ya bororo abayiboli tigago soka 12 go kwira na saa 2 ya botuko soka 12 ira na saa 10 roranki abana baba bakoraga
Ekero ense ya Kenya genda tuguchengera omwaka omuyo mwaka bujirwe ne 2022 nigo murayibu ense uru Kenyatta araeta abakenya bonsi kwarigani omwaka omuya asaba gwishireti gosabaganiriti omwaka omuya mu morembe bwebisyo.
Fellow Kenyans, the new year is a time to reflect with immense gratitude to God on the accomplishments and breakthroughs of the last 12 months. It is also a time for us all to reflect on what worked and what did not, and what we can reimagine in the new year. As we bid goodbye to 2021, we rejoice in the fact that 2022 gives us all an opportunity to do things better by offering us a reset. The new year is one for course correction and building back better. But there is always a challenge in a new year, in a new beginning. We tend, because it is easy, to celebrate the milestones of the past at the expense of making real our dreams of the future. And this is because the past is always visible and concrete. Its victories and failures are spread out for all to see. But the future is invisible to the naked eye. And only those with a lens of faith can see it. Only the bold and the courageous can achieve it. The past explains how we got here as a nation. But the future is an empty slate for us to draw on. The new year will therefore give each and every Kenyan 365 days of an empty page, upon which they will either chronicle their stories of success or failure.
Oigo murayibu ense ni gatebtabne serikali nigo yabekire mirobe yabene irigo chikora kibuna amagendrali atakeri gokorwa ngo cyari gokorwa onyerebuna murayibu ense ngo cyari gokora chintunda cyayibere ase obugambi ni gatebtabna ngo cyari ko beka mirobe yabene rikwena kibuna ensemo yobwagachi obajenu amone jinsemo aho ngo yarakire bune mirobe yaye anyebegete rikwena kibuna magendra ngo nki wara sense yeito ya Kenya boigo ni gaboriti abana siasa bonzi ko beka siasa ensemo na koretera usikokorera abana inchi amagendero.
This year, my administration continued to bridge the deficits that actually matter. We bridged the infrastructure deficit. We bridged the deficit of accessibility to quality health care and affordable health care. We bridged the deficit of a weak agricultural regulatory framework. And we also bridged the deficit of insecurity by scaling up on our security sector reforms, and we vastly improved the ease of doing business in Kenya, making it easier for Kenyans to thrive in enterprise. In the new year 2022, the nation will move closer to the realization of universal health coverage. Through our different programs, health care will be available to all and affordable to all. And this will be made possible because of the bold and progressive legislation that we have supported and is now law. Similarly, in 2022, several seminal state projects will be completed, and the dividends of these public investments will be felt by Kenyans.
ase chinga kiechecho ni gobona boria bakenya bonsi kubwatia amarago na machiko ali abekire gwetanga kurwa sebinyi bya COVID-19 nigo mura ibwenza atebiruna nerebya bakenya kubwatia machikayo eri gwetanga kurwa sebinyi bya COVID-19 ibya kanle kombente kana asense yaito ya Kenya boigo mura ibwenze ni ganyorete echanjo yaye yemakante bune post abu ritukurigoro amo no mo chief justice Martha Koome ni gatebde buna nigo airete gatambogere ekigyo konyora echanjo iyo ya post eriko example kia gose ekero kirike gucha saba Kenya ekero abakenya bonse batakiri guchikobeto post anene bali banyore chichanjo cyabo chonsi ibere.
Has happened across the globe. Kenya is today currently recording a surge of infections that started in mid-December, primarily fueled by the new Omicron variant. Despite its ease of transmissibility and infectiousness, thankfully, we are witnessing less severe infections, the majority of which need not be managed in our hospitals, but under well-established, home-based isolation and care systems. Our critical care facilities are therefore not strained, and we remain on high alert to ensure that this remains so. Today, as we speak, 39 people are admitted in various ICU facilities countrywide with COVID-19. Of these, 19 are on ventilators and 20 on supplemental oxygen. Our heightened surveillance systems and continued cautious approach has so far borne fruit, and it's a clear indication that we must not let our guard down, but continue to follow the health protocols that we have issued.
Ekarabono twasoiro mwaka wa siasa nekiru kibugabana se county ya Kisii korekana gutwara mungusomanene nabarai ao wesoke gukikoriye kiruge kyo sebono mubunge oyo kabere umubunge ububasi wesoke bwangoga gukikoriye kiruge kyo Chris obure nigo bona bamenyi banyara bekwe murungane bagateabune kiruge kyo ngetakirwo chikwegwa abasaye kurende nigo bono obure esoke na bateabuna emiaka nero ebwate ububanyi niga yakwanetaya korekeranete gosanyoranete nababwatani bahaye kuruchinsemo aho ime ya usibo no bure ni gate biruna miaka tekogera monto taigwa obugambi.
There are people who who have been going around talking about the age factor, and of course the age reflects experience, and it's not possible to acquire experience sometimes without necessarily talking about age. So the age factor is an attribute which I bring to this position, and I will say that the fact that I've been in service for this period of time has given me that edge over many candidates. So I believe that I have, as I said, I have the qualities, the experience, and the necessary networks to be able to use to the advantage of the people in this county. I am aware that other countries will be coming with, from different backgrounds. They will be trying to convince the voters about in respect of how well they are qualified and so on. But as I said, I leverage on my experience.
Mwanjo muri ka unongo ka omweli obwa mangana itama ya jinse chikomi konene ni ngo sabana chikoraga chi ense yamo ya marogoba injiko baili ngomanyi ayu amo na mange bunande tegwatika ime na isiko ya gusi konene nabakwanda gutubwatia gwetera se mitandao sameri ya Facebook tonyore ndi Steve News sema ya YouTube tonyore ndi Steve News baigo asensameri ya Twitter nabago tweet @ndi Steve News nabaigo nabago to mekerengiria gwetera ase namba eyere screen yawe igora ngo saba nabakwenda kubwatia na kudigelia miroberi yetu kunekoletwa kurwa sigita sen Candice TV akio wansu bo magusini ngo chugote sama oko musaki oito ose umorigeri to bwechiko soria Steven Ndemo karawa tumoro video bwechiko soria na bagosoria karawa tabageni asi studio karawa kwanda chiko soria na bagosori ime na isko ya gusigo twaro burigeri obiya retariane Brighton Makoli.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omuguzi.